So this is the night time. This is very good function. You come out of the house and you have your key ready, and this is the top button. Press that button for like 5-6 seconds. So as you see, it's already started. I really like the remote start, and now in order to turn it off, we're going to press the same button. And that's it. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. This is year model 2008, and I'm going to show you how to do the remote start. It's very easy and the simple process to program your keys to remote start. With your remote control key, you can start your HUMMER at your comfort, and it's very easy, and I'm going to share with you in a separate video how to program your key if you bought it from auto store or online store, and how to program it. Please don't forget to watch that video. I hope this tip and tricks will help you out in your life, and if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel, and for more HUMMER videos please click on the bell notification. Thank you. Bye bye.